everyone, so today I want to show you a DRK Make a Team video using these Trim It glitter snowflake felt sheets. So I showed these recently on a haul that I did and they're really nice. I really like them. So you got the silver on one side and then like a grey on the other, so single-sided, but they're really cool. So I want to show you today how to make a Christmas decoration with them, and we're going to be making this very cute bauble. Now I'm sure some of you, especially those of you who've been around a bit, will have made similar things to this with card, and you can do that as well, but I just really like the feel of the felt, and it just, you know, it's just quite nice, the all over glitter, really cute. So yeah, so I'm going to show you how to make this, so let's get into it. Okay, so for this project you're going to need, well, I'm going to go for 2 different colours. You could do all the same colour if you want to, and you need, if you're doing 2 colours, you're going to need 5 of each colour, so 10 in total. So I've got the silver and the gold. I've actually die cut these using a circle die. You can go whatever size you want. I've gone for a die that was about 2 3/4 because obviously that's kind of going to be the size of your bauble. So it really depends, you know, what you want to do. So first of all, we're going to fold these in half. So once you've done that, you want to take your semicircle and you're going to put a little blob of glue just on this edge here, a line of glue, and then you're going to take your gold one and line it up and stick it next door, making sure that it all lines up on the edges and along the edge there, like that. And then we're going to do the same again. So we're going to put a line of glue along here, then take a silver one, add it on like that, next we do a gold, and we continue like this with all of our semicircles. So then what you want to do is you'll end up with this. So you're going to take a bit of ribbon. Now this bit of ribbon I've got is about 8 inches long. So I'm going to fold it in half like that. And we're just going to add a blob of glue. And I'm going to put it, I think I'm just going to put it on this side here like that. And then you're going to put a line of glue just down this edge here, bring it round and stick those two together. So if you wanted to, you could stop here and just have a nice little bauble like that, but we're going to go a little bit further. So what we're going to do is at the top here, and I'm probably going to need some pegs for this, so I'm going to take a bit of glue, just put a little blob at the top there, and then we're just going to hold that together like that, and I'm just going to put a peg on it. Then we're going to go to the next one on the top, the silver, put a blob of glue, and we're going to peg it. Next silver one, put a blob of glue at the top and peg it. And we do that all the way around the top, just with the top half of the silver ones. So you should end up with them all the silver ones are pegged at the top. So we're going to turn it round now and we're going to do the gold. And what we're going to need to do is put a blob of glue at the bottom where the gold is. Again, peg it together and continue that all the way around. If you find that your layers are kind of coming apart like mine are, then what you can do, you can either leave it like that just for extra kind of layers, or if you want, you can go ahead and just put some glue just on the inside all the way around like that, and then just stick them together. So there's your finished bauble made from glitter felt. And if you want, you can put a little thing on the bottom just to hide that. I think it's quite a cute little bauble. I think it's really nice. Looks really cute, really easy to do. Something you could do maybe with the kids. If you want to do with the kids, maybe don't use the hot glue gun, or get them to, get the adult to do the hot glue gun. Or you could just put a stitch in if you wanted to. You could put a little stitch in the top. So yeah, lots of different things you can do with that. But yeah, so I hope you liked it. Don't forget to go and check out drkcrafts.co.uk. Use my code LouiseMakes to get yourself 5% off. And don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. And we'll see you again next time. Bye!